a good view of the Adventureland Treasured Treehouse. Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse, being rethemed or renamed Adventureland Treehouse. But it has been covered with tarps for, God, it seems like a year or so. And we've just had scrim and tarp and workmen. I still see a workman up there, but it is pretty much visible for the first time in a long time. Let's take a look at what we can see up there. Wow. The treehouse is starting to look like it might be ready sometime, maybe before Halloween would be good, huh? You can see the front of the ship there, part of the shipwreck. Remember, this was originally Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse, and now being renamed Adventureland Treehouse. So we still have some elements that harken back to the Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse. But I gotta tell you, it is looking really large. Somehow, I don't know, somehow it looks larger to me than it was before. I don't know, was it always this big? This is a good question. Huh. The sunlight's changing. That changes the whole look of it. When you change the lighting, the tree takes on a different look. It looks so much brighter now. It's in the shade there for a moment. Now we see it in all its glory. I can't wait to go on this.
Please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notifications button. Thank you very much.